Hello, everyone. Welcome to another webinar for our lab students. We will focus now today on tongue body shape and tongue coating relationship. Okay. So let's talk about the tongue shape and the coating. They are not so quietly tightly connected, no? In fact, they can be independent of each other. So we look at the tongue coating because we want to determine the location of the illness. Okay. And tongue coating shows whether the illness is in the exterior or in the interior, according to the eight principles. And also, when we look at the thickness of the tongue coating, this can tell us whether the condition is excessive or deficient in nature. The color and texture of the coating will tell us if it's hot or cold. No? So, like for example, if you have a slippery yellow coating, that's damp heat. Dry yellow coating, there's predominance of heat. Now, let's take a look at an acute illness. Example, we have an externally contracted cold. The coating will be normal, thin and white. The tongue coating will actually show us the strength of the pathogenic factor and how deeply it is penetrated into the interior. So the quality of pathogenic factor is ascertained without necessarily having to consider the tongue body colors. You just have to look at the coating. Strong penetrating pathogenic factor changes the tongue coating. It can actually alter the moisture and the tongue color. For example, strong heat can cause dry red tongue body. Now, chronic illnesses are usually mild, and the tongue coating will help us determine the pattern of disharmony. So if you have a swollen pale tongue body, usually the tongue coating will be moist and white. So if you have a red tongue body, usually this has a dry yellow tongue coating. But in severe cases, the red tongue body can be accompanied with white powdery tongue coating, which indicates the presence of heat instead of cold. So acute disorders characterized by fever, flu symptoms, or acute digestive problems, the tongue coating will take precedence over the shape of the tongue body. So basically, when in fact, we look at the tongue coating to actually find out if what you're doing is right. Because amongst all uh, the parts of the tongue, this is actually the first that changes. No? So if initially you have a thick tongue coating, we should expect a thinning of the white of the coating. So we have to note the thickness, location, and the texture of the tongue coating. So that's all for tongue coating and the tongue body shape. So we don't actually consider them together. Now let's go now to our history case study. So let's look at the tongue. Time for us to share our thoughts. We have a 33-year-old female. Okay. Symptoms: watery stools in the morning without smell. So, what does this tell us? Why was the absence of smell emphasized? Pag absence of smell, there is no presence of heat. Okay? Kaya amuyin din yung mga stools nyo. If there is smell, there is heat. Okay? So, watery stools in the morning without smell. Okay? 33-year-old female. Frequent nausea. So, we would be looking at a very weak stomach, probably. No? Uh, there is no drive. So, the patient is not motivated. So, probably she would not be too excited to, she's not looking forward to a new day, something like that. And then this one is very significant, intense feeling of cold. Okay? So, can anybody tell me, meron na ba kayong are you already forming something? Again, the stools have no smell. They are watery. Okay? So what are we looking at? Are we looking at a yin condition or a yang condition? Anyone? O yung iba dyan?
In conditions, Doc.
Very good. Ayan. Now, then there's another one. This patient has migraines, diarrhea, that's understandable, and vomiting preceding menstruation. Wow, this is so significant. This is what they call premenstrual, yun ba yun? Premenstrual tension, whatever. Okay? How many can relate to this, the women? Okay, Western diagnosis, see? Western doctor was consulted, no diagnosis. So I'm sure they spent a lot here for tests, no? Negative. Background to disease, this is important. The patient was treated for a long time with tetracyclines for acne vulgaris. I presume you already know what acne vulgaris is. And most dermatologists would prescribe antibiotics to very resistant acne. Okay. Can you imagine acne vulgaris? But, well, I'm sure Sir Mark and all the others here would know how to treat acne vulgaris, right? And frequent illnesses in childhood. So, anyone, what is the diagnosis?
Dok, di ba parang may ano siya? Sipon?
Hindi.
Dampness.
Mas,
Very dumb. Okay, let's move forward on. If you look at the coating of the tongue, is it a normal looking tongue?
hindi. Hindi.
Yes po.
Wet, wet
Normal.
and pale and big.
Alam niyo this one, can you see this? This is so significant. Intense feeling of cold. Huh?
Mm-mm.
This is
I
not...
think it's a selenium deficiency.
Okay, so let's go. Yeah, why do you say so? Because,
Intense cold.
okay, when the spleen is deficient, and so the stomach will also be affected. Okay,
Yes po.
yeah, di ba?
Relationship, Doc, sa spleen deficiency and stomach fire. Kung hindi na maayos ang spleens mo, sa mo talaga magbaba.
Wala
Oh,
siyang
kasi
stomach
meron na
fire.
po siyang, meron na po siyang
Meron na po, what?
Meron siyang dampness.
hindi kasing malamig.
Yeah, they're super
Malamig.
dampness. And can you look
Malamig
at this
kasi
one?
causes pain. Yung kanina kasi yan sabi, problema siya sa pag-ihi. So, yung deficiency usually,
Okay.
dahil sa may dampness na siya, and then may, and then I think it is
Okay.
kasi spleen yung deficiency. Nausea. Kasi wala na yung spleen, yung chi niya, yung spleen niya is hindi na umaakyat.
Nagsisinking spleen.
Pwede rin kung may connection ng konti sa hindi naman masakit ang tiyan niya. Pero may vomiting ka, ay vomiting tama, spleen na niya.
Nausea. Frequent
Ay,
nausea.
stomach pala.
Stomach.
Okay.
Ano, si
Hindi, may vomiting nagre-rebellious yung kanyang stomach.
nagre-label,
Ano siya, stomach
Oh,
deficiency. Kasi
stomach and
Stomach yung
deficiency kasi nagre-rebel. Although hindi siya exterior, natin siya pwedeng tawagin na galing ng exterior cold kasi hindi naman masakit yung tiyan niya. Although it's a young thing na interior yung nangyari. May possibility yan at saka cold deficiency ng yang is cold. Since it's vomiting, it has something to do with the stomach. So yang deficiency because hindi na niya ma-anchor yung kanyang yung so ang descending kasi dapat ang descending dapat yung yung stomach. Kaso nag-a-ascend yung kanyang chi. So kaya siya nagbo-vomit.
So may
Dapat-
spleen deficiency din siya.
May
Yes.
possible rebellious dahil sa young
Spleen
siya.
chi
Rebellious yung stomach.
Stomach
Rebellious
pa.
yung stomach niya.
Kasi spleen and stomach deficiencies talk about food na ini-intake ng pasyente na yan eh.
Oo nga, kaya lang ang hinahanap natin diyan is bakit yung simptomas may ganon. So since yung dila niya nagpapakita ng coldness or ng cold kasi swelling na siya tapos
May
moist pa,
Yeah.
Saka-
nagpapakita ng dampness. So iisipin mo spleen. Pero kasi may vomiting kasi nangyayari. Pagka
Pero
ganyan na may
tingnan mo yung
Oo.
dila na sa tip niya, kulay pula.
O hindi siya pula, ha?
Pula ba
Hindi.
yan?
Ano lang yan, wala lang kasi siyang coating kaya ganyan siya. Normal lang yung kulay niya. So,
Okay.
actually,
No,
normal lang
hindi
yung kulay
normal.
niya. Wala lang siyang coating.
Okay.
Kasi nga, pag walang
normal.
coating na ganyan, may problema yan stomach. Kasi yung stomach, kapag ka maganda yung prognosis, good prognosis ang stomach, may coating yan na thin. Dahil sa konting turbid na smoke from the stomach nang gagaling. So
Pero
I assume it's a stomach yang deficiency.
tingin ko kasi para merong parang sa may dila, sa may part ng stomach niya, parang may
Kasi
namumuo.
dapat magkakaroon ng thin coating yan kapag ka normal yung stomach niya. Nor yung
Parang-
good prognosis yung kanyang stomach.
Stomach nga. Stomach fire, nagkaroon siya.
It's very obvious.
Hindi siya magkakaroon ng stomach fire kasi swelling siya Di sana uurong yun or magti-thin
Thin
yan
yung coating.
kasi walang coating
May
coating
coating pa naman siya, thin lang.
May
Pag
coating
sinasabi
sobrang
ko,
thin.
dapat
Sobrang
stomach fire,
thin yung coating niya.
digestive issue,
Oo, may
nagbabamiting ang
coating pa siya. May
May
coating.
coating
May coating pa may coating pa ng konti so it's still normal so but still close to no coating siya. So for me, sa tingin ko lang, so it's for me it's a stomach yang deficiency.
Tama.
So
Stomach yung
This is the
Spleen yang siya, Doc. Oo.
clean yang.
tama pala yung una kong sinabi.
Bawiin mo na yung stomach.
Oo. Spleen yang talaga siya.
Wait lang, ha?
Tama pala yung sinabi ko.
Talaga siya.
Tama pala yung una ko.
Let's analyze, Una-una, look, this one is very significant. Do not forget, do not just overlook itong background,
Mhm.
Look, treated for a long time with tetracyclines for acne vulgaris. So that means it's super dampness. And then frequent illnesses in childhood.
Oh
Okay?
yeah, acne vulgaris pala meron siya.
So do not
Vulgaris.
omit that.
It has
Do not
nothing to do with the
overlook that.
stomach.
Okay, si Ma'am Elvira of Bacolod was raising her hand. Sige po, go ahead po. You can say whatever you want.
Pag acne vulgaris, lungs din, adamay din.
Ma'am Elvira, what was your question? You were raising your
Oo.
Lungs chi deficiency din ng
Hindi.
pasyente.
Madadamay kaya nagkaroon siya ng acne vulgaris kasi yung spleen yang niya hindi
Yes.
gaanong nagta-transform. Pag hindi na gaanong nag-transform at nag-send siya ng fluid papunta sa kuli sa skin, papunta sa skin, magiging yun nga, yung acne, yung yung nagka-clog, yung comodons na nandoon, nanggagaling sa spleen yon.
Oo.
Kaya kung may dampness sa spleen, talagang lalabas talaga yung acne vulgaris niya.
At saka take note yung sa stomach mo kasi, ito kasi like migraines, diarrhea, and vomiting. I think hindi pa ganun una-una, we don't see anything wrong pa with the stomach. Siguro, like, di ba, the spleen and the stomach, they are very sympathetic to each other.
Ayun
Yes.
siguro. Kasi sila, magkapatid.
But this one is so,
Ay mag-asawa
no
pala.
drive. Wala siyang drive. So that means very, very deficient yung niya. Wala siyang look niya. Okay, so the diagnosis was very
Spleen
simple.
yang deficiency.
Spleen yang
Spleen yang
deficiency.
Yun
Kasi
yung deficiency
Ito pa lang, oh,
Tama
this is
pala
already a
yun. Ako
giveaway. Intense feeling of cold.
Yes.
Ito nagagawa ng overthinking na namamali.
Mm. Doc, may I add, no?
Sure.
Madalas na ito sa Baguio. People have this.
Oo, malamig
And
dyan
if you check their live blood analysis,
Yes.
their blood is very very thick. So usually an erythrocyte aggregation, nakaganon siya.
Wow.
Kaya yung nausea. That's why sila
Mm-mm.
na-nauseate kasi hindi nga siya ma-circulate yung blood. But of course, it's still dirty stomach din, no? But of course, sa
Oo.
TCM, it's spleen yang deficiency. So we have to make the blood flow more quickly. So, mas smooth, no, Doc? Parang mas smooth
Yeah.
siya. Yeah.
Aha.
So yun.
Tama.
Siguro itong
220 na yan.
tetracyclines could have altered already the gut flora. Is there such?
Doc, yeah, the manifestation is the acne of the dirty gut. That's the
Yeah, oo.
manifestation.
In naturopathy
Tapos
kasi,
binigyan siya
that's a sign of the GI tract na
Oo.
Balance.
Binigyan ngayon ng tetracycline na yon, lalo niyang sinira yung gut flora.
Yes.
Ay,
So,
oo.
double jeopardy siya.
So dati nang
Yo.
sira,
Sinira
Mm.
lalo.
dampness. Okay. Do you think this one, like, how would you explain the migraines? The vomiting.
blood, but poor blood circulation.
Yun, poor blood, Doc.
Mm-mm.
Yun yung initial. Sa TCM, ha? Oo, is that...
The nausea here is probably due to the fact na hindi maganda yung flow sa brain.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, I'm learning
Yun na.
something. I learned from the naturopath.
Yes.
I didn't realize you are even naturopaths.
Overthinking yung pasyente na yan, Doc. Kasi pag
Oo.
nag-overthinking ka, too much thinking, nag-vomiting po isang tao.
Okay. Overthinking. Ganun ka ba?
Stress yun. Stress yun.
Okay, so
Oh,
I think that's it. I hope you enjoyed tonight's
Oo nga.
we call it.
Wow.
Do you have any comment, Doc She?
Matatandaan ko to.
Yeah, that's why in naturopathy, Doc, the very first or the basic step
Yeah.
talaga into detoxification is sa stomach talaga. Sa naturopathy kasi doon talaga nag-start din.
No, kahit
Kasi-
naman sa TCM, di ba?
Always
the stomach and the
natin yan.
Yeah.
Kasi di ba, Doc, the spleen brings the Gucci. Siya yung
Yes.
nagtatransport ng Gucci.
Yeah.
So, pangit si Gucci, hindi siya good chi.
So-
So, patay
So
lahat.
if you have a very poor lifestyle, poor diet, no?
Yeah.
So you cannot have good quality Gucci, right?
Because the
Yes.
spleen depends on the
Yes.
the quality of the stomach. Kasi anong itatransport niya kung walang
True.
galing sa stomach?
Yeah.
And the yang is responsible.
Yeah.
Mm-mm.
Yeah.
Yung yang.
Very deficient talaga yung yang. Yeah. As you can see, it's so makita. And the teeth marks are so
Prominent.
yeah, prominent.
Oo.
Ganun yung sa akin, Doc. Mga taga Baguio, ganyan talaga.
Oo. So ang dami yung pasyente talaga.
Ganyan, Doc. Yeah. Tapos either may lalabas na rin na mga yellow coating, yun. Sa merong ganun din.
Dito sa Palawan walang masyadong ganyan. More on mga yang deficiency yung mga dila dito. And
Can you also
Thank
say
you.
that this can warrant moxibustion?
Yes.
Ay, oo.
So if you were the
Very.
clinician, if you were the practitioner, what would you have done? Like, what are the things that you would advise the patient to do? Remember, the patient is only 33. She is probably as young as your secretary there.
Yes. Bale, syempre, Doc, warming foods.
Yeah.
Mga warming foods ito, breathing exercises, we do the juicing therapy. Kung masyadong cold sa stomach, then soup.
Look talaga.
Doc, Doc Janine, necessary ba na pag sinabing warm foods, pwedeng spicy?
Hindi.
Hindi.
no,
Hindi.
Yun.
ma-aggravate lalo yung ano niya.
Ano ba siya?
Hindi.
Nagva-vomit na siya eh.
Okay.
Ano na yun, di ba
To
yung ni
clarify.
Dyer, binigay sa atin ni Doc, what do you prefer more? Hot, spicy, salty, yun, gaanohin mo siya, di ba?
Oo.
Para sa element din niya. Pero, and then the pulse, lalabas din yun lahat. So and sa amin dito, marami kidney deficient talaga. Yung pulse nila very weak sa kidney.
Malamig kasi.
Oo. Pero sa akin kasi, colon cleansing, we do alignment, then kung ano yung diet, and then hot warming foods, pati yung tea magkakaiba. So ginger, mga ganun. Pero the moxa now, because everybody's having coughs and colds, the moxa really
Yeah.
helps to expectorate.
Pwede rin massage and
Yeah, lymphatic drainage yan. Kailangan
Lymphatic
din.
drainage.
And of course, don't forget the ear.
the ear, the therapy.
Oh, the ear pump. Ay, yan ang magagawa ko dito sa Manila.
Yes. So,
Ano
ang
nyo?
galing-galing nyo, grabe. So,
Pinutin.
it's again next Tuesday, ha? So, and it's good to know that you are so good.
Ano po, yung
We
analysis
have the
po kasi
best
sobrang
teacher.
exciting.
Ay, wow.
Oo.
No, you
yun
cannot
yun.
have... Ay, wow.
Yun yun.
Bakit hindi pa natatanggal yung dampness mo sa ano mo, Sir Mark? Ano ba yan?
Pero
Sopa?
after 2 months,
Kakakain niya ng dump food.
sabay tsura ko, hindi ko makita.
Kaka-opera
Kaka-junk
mo?
food mo niyan.
Ang tagal na niyan,
Kahadjang-
parang 6 months na yan.
Dok, papa-opera ko na after 2 months, nag-iipon pa ako.
Ano pa
Kaka-junk
opera
food
mo?
dyan.
Ano yan? Ano yan?
Yung dampness.
Ito?
Lem.
Dampness.
Ito?
Para siyang
Bukol?
cyst. Para siyang
Ay,
ganglion cyst.
Lagyan mo lang ng ano yan. Castor oil lang yan. Every night, kumuha ka ng cotton, lagyan mo yan. Tapos lagyan mo ng
circulation.
Band-Aid. Tulog mo.
Astro oil
Mawala
skip.
yan.
Castor
Castor
oil.
oil. Oh, itulog mo yan. Lagyan mo ng cotton, lagay mo dyan. Lagyan mo ng ng Band-Aid
Medical
para
tape.
nandun. At
Yeah,
least
you will never
8
forget.
hours.
You will never
Araw-araw.
forget your chat.
I see.
That's very important. Castor oil is a must for everybody.
Yeah, parang ano,
For-
no? Parang meron siyang heat, no? Castor oil.
Meron doc.
Mm-mm.
Eh di,
Probably.
papasok siya eh. Papasok
Ay,
siya
Doc, yung
doc.
about castor oil, may nabili ako na castor oil from Israel. Ang galing, ang bilis niya magpa-grow ng hair.
Ay,
Bongga. Hindi naman ako, Ma'am
Doc,
Mercy.
meron ka nun Doc,
Israel,
meron ka.
Israel.
Or-
It's castor oil from Israel. Pag dito, hindi ko sure eh.
Hindi. Wala naman tayong castor oil dito. Castor oil natin dito galing India.
Ang alam ko, okay.
Okay lang. Castor oil. Basta, siya, hexane free. It's, ano to?
Hindi kasi natural doon yun eh.
Organic at saka cold pressed.
Oo.
And then in a dark bottle. Basta never buy one in plastic. Kasi castor
Oo,
oil
oo.
penetrates your body. 98%
Oo.
of it goes in your body. Siya lang ang oil na pumapasok.
Oo.
Hindi siya nag-excrete. Penetrate, nagpe-penetrate.
Kaya pala ang
i-share
galing niyang
ako-
laxative.
May i-share ako next week, Doc, na kidney deficiency with liver blood stagnation.
Oh, wow.
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 Very complex.
Makikinig kami niyan.
May deal.
Kahit
Kanina
Very
kasi,
complex.
actually
Next
yung
Tuesday.
niya, ang first niya is may may myoma last 2019, and then last year lang nagkaroon naman siya ng bukol sa breast. So
Mhm.
makita mo talaga sa dila niya,
Super
medyo
dark.
talaga. Next week ipakita ko yung dila niya.
O sige,
Tapos-
mag-present ka ha.
Sana
Sa PowerPoint.
kasi yung follow-up check-up niya ulit next week eh. So siguro ma-present ko. Siguro.
Okay na siguro.
Oh,
Sure
good,
na yan.
good.
Next
Anong gusto mong
Tuesday.
Ikaw na,
PowerPoint yung
interesting
sumasabog?
yan. Interesting
Tuesday.
yan.
Put that in your
Yes.
calendar. Okay? So
Okay.
maraming salamat everyone. You're
Yes.
so good.
Oo.
Sir, ano ba to? Wait lang. Is that in Sir Edison? Ay, hindi nakikinig. Anyway. So it's good to know that we have participants from Mindanao. No? Okay. So everyone,
Mm.
is invited to another Balitaktakan like this next Tuesday. Thank you so much,
Okay.
everyone, for joining.
Thank you po,
Salamat
Doc.
Thank you, Doc.
And
See you
Sir Mark, get
tomorrow.
rid of your dampness, your phlegm.
Oo, Doc.
Use castor oil. Gamit ka na talaga.
Uy,
Nakakahiya.
may tanong lang ako
Thank you
regarding
po.
castor. Pwede bang i-drop sa ice yan?
Sige.
Wag.
Wag.
Hindi.
Oh my God, kanina may pasyente ako, nilagay niya sa ice yung ano niya kasi may katarata na daw siya. May nagsabi daw sa kanya na
Hello?
no, it's not
Hindi
allowed
po,
na
hindi.
ice.
Nagkaba-
Irita
Dito
yun.
lang sa eyelid.
Oh my
Hindi
God.
pwede.
Hindi naman siya magkaka-problem pero I mean, meron yung nabibili na drops na castor oil na talaga pang
Oh,
eye.
Pang
Pero
mata.
ako wala ko noon. Ilagay lang niya in the eyelid.
Oo, ang
Eyelid yan.
Sabi
Pati
kasi nakaganon na
floater.
siya kanina, kausap ko nakaganon na siya. Sabi ko, sir,
Ayun.
bakit nakaganyan yung eyes mo? Sabi niya, medyo hindi na talaga maganda yung pakiramdam niya sa eyes niya. Tapos nilagyan niya daw ng castor oil sa eyes. Sabi ko, sir, parang hindi po
Baka
yata
nag-self,
advisable yung castor oil.
self-medicate.
Kaya nga, sabi
Saka
ko,
ang daming niyang salt sa body. Yan. Check mo rin yung kidney. Di ba usually,
Yeah.
doc,
kidney siya, kidney.
pagka
May kidney
Cataracts is,
problem din talaga siya.
salt in the body. This is still the food.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oo.
ma'am.
Mm-mm.
Mataba po ba siya?
Parati dyan yung food eh, yung lifestyle.
Mataba ba yung pasyente mo, Doc Che?
79 kilos, medyo overweight konti.
Overweight. Ano yung itsura
Lalaki.
niya? Ano yung itsura niya? Is it earth ba siya? Earth?
Oh.
Earth
Oh,
siya, no?
mataba nga. Work nga,
Oo.
mataba nga, bilog nga.
Dump na dump.
Bongga.
O sige na. Mahaba na. Maraming salamat, everyone. I hope yung iba hindi na... Wala talaga
Good night,
yung iba.
everyone.
Okay. Yeah,
Apo.
thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed.
Abian
See
too.
you again on
Bye.
Tuesday. Thank you so much. Good night, everyone.
Okay po.
Bye. Avian 2? Okay.